Hey guys, I'm about to walk into Wegmans. We're gonna see what they have here that's new. Because we've been here so many times, we're only gonna check out the new vegan. This lighting is really bad, and there's a trooper right there. So I don't want to do anything illegal in this video, or do I? We have nut tacos, organic. I have not heard of these. Fabulous name. What do you guys think? Nut tacos. Honest ingredients. We got nut balls too. I mean, that's an even better name. Nut balls and nut tacos, $6. I've never had them. If you guys have tried these, let me know in the comments below how they are. Now we have some field roasts. These aren't new, but they're new in Wegmans, the chow mac and cheese. And they're now in the elbows. They're not in penne anymore, so that's cool. But they're kind of expensive, $5.99, but they are really good. And of course they have the little corn dogs and the Fruffalo wings as well. Quorn is starting to make more vegan products because a lot of their stuff is not vegan. It's got egg whites in it, but these are vegan. They're pretty good too. It does have a micro protein in it, which is an allergen and a mold, and certain people have been allergic to that. So there's a little warning there just in case, although I hear it's very rare. Veggie Bubba Burger is another burger that I've never heard of before. I've never tried before, but I see it in my Wegmans. It's new. So if you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments below how it is, how you think it is. It's about $4.49 and it is vegan. White Castle now has their own sliders that they sell. They're a little bit different than if you go to their location, which I believe are Impossible Burgers, but these are Dr. Prager's veggie burgers. And fun fact, Kumar from Harold and Kumar was actually a vegan, and they made him vegan burgers in that movie. This is the Beyond Sausage, and then Soy Boy. These aren't new. These have been around for a long time, but this is new. Smart Sausages is now vegan. It wasn't vegan, and way back when I first went vegan, there was something very similar that was vegan, but then they added egg whites to it later on. So I'm excited to try this to see if it's just like it was when I was a newbie vegan. And here we have the plant-based burger by Don Lee Farms. It's organic, vegan. I've never tried it before. Same price as the Beyond Burger, and of course the Just Egg. Only $7.99. And then we have my good friend Miyoko's butter and mozzarella, and also the cheese spread. I've heard mixed results on this, but I really like this Follow Your Heart Parmesan. And of course, Oatly. We all know that I love Oatly. Caramel sea salt. These I believe are new by Hail Mary. I haven't seen these before. Caramel sea salt and chocolate chip cookie dough. And they also have their raw vegan cups. Now this is my new favorite bread. I found this a few months ago, and it's Heidelberg. Very clean ingredients if you don't feel like making your own bread. And this is really good. It doesn't have any preservatives or anything like that. The French Peasant right here is my favorite. Check out these ingredients. Pretty simple. $3.99, and all the ones that I've found are vegan. And since they don't have preservatives or anything, you might want to keep it in the refrigerator and eat it up within a week or so it doesn't mold. But it is really good. If you see some, pick it up, try it out, make some toast, make a sandwich, put some Miyoko's butter on it. And of course, the 22 Days protein powder. This is my favorite plant protein. I like the chocolate and the vanilla. It's hard to find though. It's not in all the locations. The Perry's Oats Cream. All of these new oats flavors are vegan except the Snickerdoodle because it has honey in it. These are really, really good. They are very creamy. I've tried most of them. I did not try the latte because I don't do espresso or coffee or anything. But the cookies and peanut butter here is my favorite. So good. The apple strudel is really good too. It's got a nice gooey, creamy layer of marshmallow. And then So Delicious is an all-vegan company. They have a lot of different flavors of ice cream. Some of these aren't new, but I still want to showcase them. I have not tried the oat milk ones, and they look good, but I haven't had them. So again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think if you've already tried those. My favorite is still the soy base and the cashew base. And of course, Ben & Jerry's. Some of these aren't new as well, but they have a lot of different flavors. Now, they went from having 4 to having like 10 or 12. And Daya, these are new. I have tried these at the expo, and they're all really good. I mean, who'd have thunk Daya went from cheese to ice cream? Look at that. Just look at it. Salted caramel, the very vanilla, and the chocolate crunch. Look at that. Only 200 calories per bite. Now this stuff is not new at all. This is actually pretty old, but I don't see a lot of people talking about it. This is a fluff for your Fluffernutter. You can make a peanut butter Fluffernutter sandwich, and it exists. It's pretty good. It's been around for years. I just think it went off the radar. So if you're looking for some vegan fluff, there it is. Nutso. Now this is pretty new. I've never tried it just because it's so expensive, but it looks good. Nutso. Only $10. And then Bobos. Bobos are really good, and they're all vegan, and they have the bars too. I've never tried these, but I have tried the bars, and they're really good. Now, I had to show this just because it says vegan in big letters across the front. I've never had it, but it's granola. It looks good. Thumbs up if you guys like granola. Organic vegan mac and cheese. I did try this last time. Actually, I bought this actual pack right here, and I tried it, and it was pretty good. It was a little bit soupy, so maybe I'd want it to be a little thicker. I don't know if the little sauce packet just didn't thicken up enough, but it was okay. And then Uptons has 4 different ready in 1 minute meals. Yes, each one of these can be made in just a minute. It's true, I've done it. Here is tuna in a can by Sophie's Kitchen. Vegan tuna. No fish were involved in the making of this product, which is a good thing. And then Edward & Sons Worcester sauce and tamari, which are not new, but I just want to show you guys. They are awesome. Enjoy Life has crunchy cookies, but they also have soft cookies. Some of these are new and some of them aren't, and I don't remember which ones are which, but they also have pancake mix, muffin mix, and brownie mix. Take that. And Violife or Violife, whatever way you want to say it is correct. They have the feta, the parm, and the mature cheddar. These are all really, really good. If you haven't tried Violife, definitely check them out. And then we have Morningstar coming out with their vegan chicken nuggets, vegan chicken patties. They have the barbecue, the buffalo, and the regular. They took the egg whites out of these products to make them vegan now, and they should be a vegan company by 2021, which is pretty rad. And then we have No Evil Foods. These are vegan meats, and they're not really new here, but I just want to showcase them because they're awesome, and they come from a ethical vegan company. And then if you want just a little personal provolone, we got one for 99 cents by Follow Your Heart, which these are really, really good as well, and also the American. And I'm happy to say Good Planet made its way to Wegmans as well. They have several different cheeses. They also have shreds, and they're all really, really good. I've never had this before, the Taco Bell, but I noticed that it was vegan. They have 2 of these for $4.49. The 3-bean Taco Bell, Taco Bowl rather, and then vegetable egg rolls. These are just regular Wegmans brand, and you can see that V for vegan right on the front. Wegmans does a good job with that, and these are also $4.49. And they have a lot of different Amy's products, which most of their products are vegan. And you'll see a little vegan label right at the front, the bottom corner. So all of these are in fact vegan. Enchilada, black bean vegetable, and then the Asian dumpling bowl. Now there's a lot of these that I've never tried, and they have a huge variety of different ones. But these are great for like a convenience food. You're in a hurry. And I saw this too, the Goya, and it says vegan right on the front. So I had to showcase this. Vegan refried beans, $1.99. And then these vegetable dumplings, which I did pick these up, and they were pretty good. I steamed them in my bamboo steamer. Vegan. They're about $9.99, but this bag is pretty huge, by the way, so that will give you a lot of dumplings. And I was very sad to see this. The following products are coated with food-grade vegetable petroleum beeswax. All of these things, apples, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, limes, peaches. Look at this, cucumbers. You just don't know what's coated in beeswax and what's not. It's really sad when vegans can't buy produce because it's covered in beeswax or shellac. But that's it for my Wegmans shopping video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and enjoy this clip of us eating at a brand new place that has vegan options. This glass right here just moved on its own. I'm seeing if it's going to do it again. Oh my god, it did it. Did you guys see that? It's haunted. There's nothing under here. There's nothing under here.
We should start menu planning right now. Write down some ideas and I'll just talk while you're trying to shoot a video.
That's the sizzling.
Ooh, wow.
The lemongrass one?
Yep, the sizzling lemongrass with rice. I think rice comes with it too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there's your rice.
And you got a big bowl of
Drunken noodles.
drunken noodles. Are these the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have got two different things.
Well, we already
Share
did,
it.
and we really liked this one last time.
Oh, that's perfect.
Stick with what you know, folks. Never go outside the
The
box.
plate's moving.